Hello everyone, I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently and I am running a YouTube channel. Not only a YouTube channel but also I take spoken English classes except Sundays through Zoom application. So if you are someone who wants to flourish your English language and if you are someone who is looking forward to improve your communication skills, then approach me. I'm taking spoken English classes through Zoom application and you can see the background, guys. So I again came to my field, so which really gives me a lot of peace and also lot of confidence to do something new each and every single day. And also you can see how the lush green atmosphere behind me and the field and farm, everything, right? Yes. And if you are someone who started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like and one subscribe is really giving me a lot of boost and power to shoot more and more videos. In this video, I just want to address you that how I started my English speaking journey, how I began my English speaking journey, and today I am here. So what all the steps I have taken in order to start this English speaking journey. You might be having this kind of question. We are the one who are not knowing where to start to speak in English and also how to start our English speaking journey. So if it is your question, so this video is going to solve your question, your problem, guys. So just keep watching till the end, right? Yes. Actually, when did I start my English speaking journey? Exactly, I remember that. So this is 2025. So 2 years ago, 2023, I kept on watching something or the other on English related videos on YouTube channel, and one of the videos really drew my attention, you know, because while I was watching that video, so it made me realize that the importance and the significance of English language. And if we are really improve our communication skills, we are going to see lot of advantages and we are the one who is going to see lot of benefits in the future in order to crack interviews, in order to gain some good position in the company if we are working for a company, or else if we are searching for any job. If we have good communication skills, then easily we can settle in a company for high package, right? So I came to know the importance of communication skills while I was watching that one particular video. It drew my attention completely. Then what I exactly did after watching that video, so I started watching many English content videos. You know, literally, you know, every single day I surrounded myself English atmosphere, not physical atmosphere, but my mobile was with me all the time. So I started consuming a lot of English content. You guys won't believe that I literally used to spend maximum of my time during Corona time. I used to spend maximum of my time only for English language. You know what I exactly do? I used to listen some cartoon videos, I used to listen some podcast, I used to listen some web series, I used to listen some TV shows which is in English language itself on my mobile phone. And I didn't stop after watching that videos. What I used to do, I used to write something in English. What exactly I have collected new words, what exactly I have collected new sentences from that particular videos, and how I have to design my life regarding communication skills, and what kind of steps I have to do, what kind of methods I have to apply in order to speak fluent in English. Because at that moment I only decided that no matter what, Banu, you have to speak good English. You have to become a fluent speaker in this English language, no matter what kind of problems you are gonna face, because you have already got an attention from one of the videos that you came to know that. So you are definitely the person who is going to speak an amazing English. I used to keep telling all these things to myself, because sometimes I used to lose hope on learning this English language. Again, I used to reminded myself that, okay, Banu, no matter what happens in your life, but you have to keep pushing yourself, you have to keep watching, you have to keep listening to something. And again, I reminded myself that, okay, I am doing all these things, like all this stuff like listening, reading and writing. What about speaking? So if I want to speak something in English, I should require a partner. So that was also a biggest barrier when I was taking some baby steps in my life. Baby steps. What are baby steps? Like listening, reading and also writing. And coming to speaking, I used to stuck myself. I used to become blind, because I used to become blank, because words really didn't used to come into my mind when I was a beginner. Even if I want to share something to somebody, there were nobody to listen to what exactly I just wanted to share to someone. And if I wanted to express something about my feelings, my opinions, and about my educational qualification and everything, there was nobody to listen. So what exactly I used to do? Then I used to apply different methods, even the methods which don't know exactly at that particular moment, like mirroring method, like shadowing method, like repetition method, like speaking, listening, writing. So all these methods I applied different ways. You guys won't believe, I have put lot of efforts. I gave every single day from my side 100% efforts. I gave literally 100% efforts in order to crack this kind of fluency today, right? And you won't believe, one thing I did exactly is maintaining consistency. I don't know. Nobody came to me that, nobody asked me that, Banu, you have to maintain consistency in order to catch that kind of fluency. But I don't know what, but I used to consume lot of English related videos, not only cartoons, not only English related videos, but also sometimes, I used to watch some motivational related videos. Okay, what all the steps I used to follow in my life in order to reach one fine day to become a good speaker in my English language. So I used to watch all those, because if I open my YouTube channel at the beginning days of my English journey, at the initial days where I was taking baby steps of learning this English language, everything was in English on my mobile phone. Everything was there in English, be it learning English, be it speaking, be it any application. I used to follow some different translation applications, so if I don't know something, I used to immediately try to learn from there itself. But nowadays there are many applications like Meta AI, ChatGPT, and also Google is there. So you can happily search, you can happily learn, happily from the place where you are right now, right? But when I was learning, so there was not these kind of applications then, like ChatGPT was not there and AI was not there. But right now, so we have wonderful applications. Just ask whatever you are feeling, whatever the questions you want to ask, just ask ChatGPT and just try to know different methods. How should you learn English? If you ask these type of small questions, ChatGPT will give prompt answers. ChatGPT will give prompt answers, And one thing which also again I used to ask myself that, okay, even though if I watch, even though if I listen, but if I can't speak, I cannot become a fluent speaker. I came to know that personally, and I started applying different methods. Like as I mentioned clearly that, like I used to use different applications. Now it became a paid version. So when I was using those applications, it was free of cost. Then like Civi application was one of them, and Ace Fluency application was one of them, and also PeerUp application was one of them. Every single day I used to use 30 minutes, which the apps were providing free of 30 minutes free talk time. I used to randomly call to different people, and sometimes I used to disconnect a call because of misbehavior of somebody from the other side. But even though I did not stop my journey, even though I did not sit alone, I did not sit idle, I did not leave aside, I did not give up on myself, because I was the person who always kept on pushing myself to forward, right? So I am the person who is telling here, you guys, just try to know the importance of this English language. If you are someone who are a student, who are a working employee, and if you are someone who have a strong desire and curiosity and burning desire to learn, to gain this kind of fluency in English language, there is only one method, is speak every single day. Speak every single day, no matter what you speak, no matter how many mistakes you make, no matter even if you speak butler English, but try to speak out. Only when you speak, you will come to know your fluctuations, your flaws, and your mistakes, right? Because if you are having a strong desire, but you are not stepping forward, you are not coming out of your comfort zone, and you are sitting idle at your home, and you are thinking in different ways, like, okay, I'm gonna become a fluent speaker one fine day, but you are not taking any actions. You are not even giving it a try to speak even one sentence in English every single day. Just let me know, even if you don't do all those things, will you become a fluent speaker in your life? No, until you take actions, until you speak out, until you come out of your comfort zone, until you maintain consistency, until you keep watching some English related videos every single day. Literally, I am telling you guys, I am promising you guys, you won't become a fluent speaker, because speaking English is not an easy, right? Speaking English is not as easy as learning ABCD alphabet, right? So you have to come out, you have to take some seriousness, you have to take some steps regarding your communication skills, and you have to approach the people who are speaking nearby you. If you don't find the people who are speaking English nearby you, just go out where the English community is there, where the group of people are having conversation in English. Nowadays, why are you keep complaining yourself all the time? Why are you giving lame excuses that we don't have any person to speak in English? Nowadays, there are wonderful resources are available in front of you, like ChatGPT. Your mobile is the biggest resource, I can say. So if you want to cherish, if you want to flourish your communication skills, you should not require any person, you should not require any partner. Your mobile is enough to you. Your mobile is enough for you to learn English language and to become master in this English language, I can say, guys. Because you know, your mobile will give every information which is needed to you, right? So it is there in your mindset. So you have to change your mindset. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to meet new people. You have to ask different questions, whatever the questions you want to ask, whatever the questions is running in your mind, just speak out. Just speak out from your heart. No matter. Even if you make mistakes, it doesn't matter. Are you speaking or not? That is really matter, right? So that is what I am advising you. So this is how I started my journey. This is how I began my journey. This is how I started stepping out of my comfort zone, and this is how I started approaching people. Because you know, so there were many days I sacrificed many things in order to crack this kind of fluency. In order to achieve this kind of fluency, I sacrificed many things in my life, like watching TV and also spending my time with my friends most of the time, and also going out with my relatives and going out with my parents. So I sacrificed many things in my life in order to catch this kind of fluency. So at that time, I was only thinking that, okay, why I'm wasting my life, why I'm wasting my time only learning this English language, because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not meeting any person in my life, nobody is speaking to me. But today I can say that, so whatever the steps, whatever the baby steps I have taken those days, it is really giving me fruitful results nowadays, right? So you should be patient, you should not look for results immediately, right? So you should keep working every single day, and you should keep listening to something in English, you should keep writing, and you should keep watching. Apart from that, you should speak English every single day, no matter what, whether it is butler English, whether it is good English, whether it is bad English, it doesn't matter. All what matter is, are you speaking every single day or not? Are you putting efforts from your side 100% or not? Are you showing up every single day or not, in order to reach whatever the desire is there inside you, right? Yes, this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. I hope you guys really find this video is helpful to you. And if you are someone who has not subscribed to my channel, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you with one more beautiful content in the next video. Until then, you guys keep watching and keep supporting, and consider subscribing to my channel, and keep pushing and keep motivating yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with one more beautiful content. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.